All right, we're going to do our vocabulary. Let me make sure our camera's turned on here. Okay, got our pencil or our pen. And we're going to open up our ImageMate. So go ahead and grab your vocabulary journal and something to write with. And we are going to go to the section that are the wow words. So find your wow words. And we've already done 3. So we're going to start on the second page here. And our word this time is powerful. 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 So we don't have any prefixes because I see the word power, so we can cross these out because we're not going to write in those. And then let's go to the root word, powerful. What is the main word in that word? The root word is power. And what does power mean? Okay, it means influence over others. That means you have the power. So a vehicle might have a lot of power, and it definitely can influence over others. It can have more energy and more power to it than a human. So power just means having that influence over others, having that power over others, having that control over others. So that means our suffix is full, but it's not F-U-L-L. It's just one L because it's a suffix, full, and full means filled with. So powerful means filled with influence over others, filled with control over others. Right? And then other words with this suffix we could do for full of would be cheerful. Full of cheer. Could also do painful. Painful. Full of pain. Okay, maybe flavorful. It's full of a lot of flavor. And even though last week we had colorless, what about colorful? Colorful. We only put one L. Because we're doing the suffix full, not the word full. So there's a little difference. Playful might be one. All right, so make sure you have all of those written down. Pause it if you need to, but that should be written down in your workbook, your vocabulary workbook. And then we're going to go back to the cover here. I'm going to go back to our picture dictionary. Okay. So the last one we had was brief. So now we're going to add in convince, swiftly, rely, then we're going to turn the page and do rare, and precise. Well, they don't have to be in order. I just wanted to let you know. But if you want them to be, you can have them in order. So our words are, oh, let me get to them here. Convince, swiftly, rely, and rare and precise. Okay, so draw a picture that go with those words that remind you of what those words mean, and you'll be all set. Also, tomorrow, let me come back to my screen here so I can see you. Or you can see me, I should say. There we go. Tomorrow you'll have your vocabulary test on the last 10 words. So make sure you have everything filled in for last week's vocabulary and this week's vocabulary, because when you take your test, you can use your book, but your book's not going to help you if you didn't write things down. So make sure everything's written down in your book, and then when you take your test tomorrow morning, you'll have all of your answers right there if you need them. So you should have, let me go back. Okay, you should have fragile, research, defend, and specific and pledge for the first week. Week 2, assemble, grumble, calculate, and elegant for the second week. Oh, I think we're short one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Privilege. And then we have pause, gasp, ancient, observe, brief. And then this week, convince, swiftly, rely, rare, and precise. So if you need any of these, go back and listen to them so that you can make sure you have everything written down. You should have 4 wow words in your book now. Should be 4 of them now. And then in your picture dictionary, you should have, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. We're on the 4th page today for drawing a picture. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will see you over in our grammar video. All right, thanks, guys.